Hi guys, welcome back to ARIVU channel. This is the first part of Java series. Now let's discuss the introduction of Java language. What is Java? Java is a programming language. Java is a high-level language, robust, object-oriented and secure programming language. What is high-level language? The human understandable language. And robust means strong management. Object oriented. So we will discuss the object oriented programming system later in detail. 3 billion devices run Java language. So some of the applications now we will see desktop applications like Acrobat Reader, Media Player, Antivirus, etc. And web applications such as irctc.co.in, etc. Enterprise applications such as banking applications, mobile applications, game applications. So these are all the applications of Java language. Then we will discuss the editions of Java language. So we have 4 editions: Java Standard Edition, Java Enterprise Edition, and Java Micro Edition, Java FX. So now we will discuss one by one. Java Standard Edition. So Standard Edition means it includes APIs like java.language, java.input-output, java.net, java.utility, java.sql, java.max, etc. We will discuss later in detail. It includes some core topics like verbs, string, regular expression, exception, inner classes, multi-threading, input-output stream, networking, collection, etc. Okay, and the second one is what? Enterprise Edition. It is used to develop web and enterprise applications. It is built on the top of the Java Standard Edition platform. It includes servlet, JSP, etc. The third edition is what? Micro Edition. So what is it? It is a micro platform which is mainly used to develop mobile applications. Okay, and then the fourth edition is what? Java FX. So it is mainly used to develop rich internet applications. So what are the editions we have seen? Java Standard Edition, Java Enterprise Edition, and Micro Edition, FX. Okay, and then history of Java. James Gosling, Mike Sheridan, and Patrick Naughton initiated the Java language. In which year? 1991 June. Okay. The small team of Sun engineers called Green Team. Okay. And originally this language is designed for small embedded systems in electronic appliances like set-top boxes only. Okay. Then now we will discuss the features of Java language. So what are the features? Simple, object-oriented, portable, platform independent, secured, robust, architecture neutral, multi-threaded. Now we will discuss one by one. So what is simple? Java is a very easy to learn and its syntax is simple, clean and easy to understand. That's why we can call it as what? Java is a simple language. Okay. And the second feature is what? Object-oriented. So object-oriented programming language means everything is an object in Java language. And why we need object-oriented programming system means it simplifies software development and maintenance by providing some rules. That's why we need the OOPS concept. Okay. Now what are the rules? So we have the 6 rules. Okay. So if we want to implement OOPS in our program or project means we can use these concepts. Okay. Object, class, encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction. We will discuss later in detail. Okay. So this is also one of the feature. Next one, platform independent means what? Java code can run on multiple platforms like Windows, Linux, Mac or OS, etc. Okay. First, our Java code is compiled by the compiler. So what is the output of the compiler? The output of the Java code from the compiler is what? Bytecode. Okay, this bytecode is a platform independent code. Platform independent means what? It can be run on multiple platforms. Platform independent means that bytecode can be run on multiple platforms like Windows, Linux, Mac or OS. Okay, so this type of feature is called what? Write once and run anywhere. WORA. Okay, the next one, secured feature. Secured means what? Java is best known for its security. We can develop virus-free systems. Okay, and robust simply means what? Strong. It uses strong memory management. What is strong memory management? There is automatic garbage collection. Okay, automatic garbage collection means which runs on the Java virtual machine to get rid of objects. Which objects? That are not being used by a Java application anymore. So, due to this automatic garbage collection, Java has the strong memory management. We will discuss later in detail about the exception handling. Next feature is architecture neutral. What is it? Architecture neutral means there are no implementation dependent features. For example, the size of primitive type is fixed. Okay, in C programming language, integer data type occupies 2 bytes of memory for 32-bit architecture and 4 bytes of memory for 64-bit architecture. But in Java language, this integer data type occupies 4 bytes of memory for both 32 and 64-bit architectures. So this type of feature is called what? Architecture neutral. Okay. Then the next one, portable feature. What is it? Java is portable. We already discussed what? Platform independent. Because it facilitates you to carry the Java bytecode to any platform. It does not require any implementation. This feature is called what? Portable one. Okay. And multi-threaded. This is very important one. Okay. So thread is like a separate program executing concurrently, simultaneously. Okay. Doing multiple tasks in the same time. Simply we say doing multiple tasks in the same time. Okay, the main advantage of multi-threading is that it does not occupy memory for each thread. It shares a common memory area. So, threads are important for multimedia, web applications, etc. We have completed the today's session. We will discuss JVM and other things in the next video. Have a nice day. Thank you.